Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the tools. Make sure Google Photos and Into Live are installed and update the camera app. Next, open the camera and capture motion by holding the shutter button to record a 1-3-second burst. This gives you multiple frames to choose from. If your Redmi shows a motion/live option, enable it and shoot the same short clip. Once done, transfer the best burst image or short clip to Google Photos. Now open Google Photos and locate the burst or motion photo you just made. Tap the burst, pick the exact frames you want, or if it's a motion photo, use the menu to export or save as a short video clip. Make sure the clip length is 1 to 3 seconds. Longer clips reduce live photo compatibility. Once you have a trimmed video segment, save it to local storage so you can import it into the Into Live app for conversion to a live photo. Finally, open Into Live and import your saved short video. Into Live converts videos into iOS live photo format. Trim the clip to 1 to 3 seconds, set frame rate to 24-30 FPS for smooth playback, and export as a live photo. Save the result to your gallery. You can then share to iMessage or transfer to an iPhone. If you encounter problems, make sure the source video isn't too long or high bitrate. Re-export at 30 FPS and try again, which usually fixes conversion errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.